What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and finally it is time to install these freaking headers, man. Hell yeah, we've been waiting forever. I got these before Christmas and it's been more than a month since I got them, and it's time to install them. But first, let me explain what's going on here, okay? So for the past 4 days, twice to, I don't know, I've been trying to install these 2-inch drop springs, but the freaking, those calipers are on there tight as fuck, and I do not have an impact gun, so I'm gonna just put everything back together from there and do the headers first, and then I'll drop it 2 inches next week or the week after that. Sorry if I sound a little sick or something. Is just woke up from the cruda. So, but gotta install these headers, man. I'm gonna hit up my cousin right now, see if he wants to come through already, and I'm gonna just I'm gonna soak up all the bolts and nuts with WD-40 so they can start loosening up. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this. All right, guys. So I just got back from AutoZone, and one thing I've heard about installing aftermarket headers is to always get OEM gaskets, because the aftermarket header gaskets will leak. So here's the information of the gaskets I got. I just went to my local auto parts store and got these, so check them out. Pause it, write it down, whatever you want.
Cause it's too low to put them on like that, huh?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you fit under, but it's gonna be uncomfortable. Okay, so first you gotta disconnect the battery. What do we do next, Oscar?
Yeah, that shit's tight as hell too. Trying to pull out the dipstick too. We got a 15mm bolt. You gotta pull it out. So you gotta make sure you see where it goes into, because if you pull it out blind, and you're not gonna be able to find where it goes back in. For those of you who are new to the channel and this is your first time watching my channel, I am not a mechanic. Neither is my cousin. Are you a mechanic, Oscar? No. We're not mechanics, so we're just doing this for fun, out of our own education, I guess. So what's going on, Oscar? What problem did we run into? EGR valve. Okay, guys, so with these headers, you're gonna have to do an EGR valve delete. So we're gonna need the EGR connects to the intake manifold right there, so we're gonna need a block off plate for that. And I just ordered that on Amazon, which is gonna be here in like 2 days. So this whole EGR system is gonna have to come out because it connects to the manifolds and all of that. Yeah, can't have it hanging or have that open right there. So let's see what we do. Disconnecting the white pipe now, and then gonna get the, what is it, Oscar? The cross member? Gonna get the cross member off so we can take the whole white pipe off, and then go on to the headers. Alright, y'all, so the WD-40 is not working in our favor today. The bolts to disconnect the white pipe, the nuts that connect to the actual headers and the white pipe are freaking tight, and we cannot get them loose. So we're gonna head to AutoZone and see, hopefully find something that will help us out. So I'll be right back. So there's a second bolt we come across that broke. The first one was on the passenger side, all the way in the back. Now this one was right here, the first one. So the other half is stuck in there. I don't know what to do. cracking. Trying to take these bolts.
Old rusty bolts, 17 years old. This bolt all the way over here is a pain in the ass. All the way over here.
Can't be worse than the one like Camaro.
Huh?
Can't be worse than the one like Camaro.
No space at all or what?
Not really.
Yeah, how'd they even get them in there?
There he goes.
You got it? Alright guys, so Oscar finally got this side of the white pipe off. So now I'm just taking off the rest of the bolts and then starting to take off this EGR valve system. So to get rid of this EGR valve, you gotta take two 5/8 bolts out of right here where the EGR valve goes. After you take the EGR valve off, which is 10, and then one down here in the bottom, and then you're gonna need another 10 to take this part off that goes into the manifold. So once that's off, there the whole fucking header's off now. And then so you gotta order the piece to block it off right there. So this side is completely off. Oh shit, I hope it didn't hit any of my fucking spark plugs. What's up, Oscar? What are you working on down here?
Trying to take this cross member out.
Cross member?
Yep.
So we could get the whole white pipe off. By the way, there's a harder way of taking the white pipe off. If you're never gonna use it again, just cut it off. Be better. Probably don't even have to take any bolts off either. She's loosey goosey. Alright, yeah, so we have now lost daylight, but the headers are loose and they're ready to get pulled out. I think all we have left to get them out is to take the cross member off and pull them out.
Right there.
Alright.
One of the red ones or
There we go. You good?
yeah.
That shit's full of oil because of my leak. Look at that shit.
There's no light.
Doesn't matter.
Alright, put that in.
No. Oh. No.
You broke it, Lalo?
It is recording, sir.
They should.
There's no bolts here.
What the hell? Oh, they're on this one.
What the hell? Can you take them off?
Huh?
No? Alright guys, so there's a lot of things that went wrong today. So I'm making this video into a two-part series because we're gonna have to wait till we get some other stuff so we can finish it, and we lost a lot of daylight. I mean, daylight's gone, so we stopped. So 3 bolts are stuck inside my engine block. Well, broken. They're broken in there. So I'm gonna have to take it so someone can take that shit out, to a mechanic or something. What else went wrong? The headers do not fit. Well, I mean, it's a really tight squeeze to get them in there and tying them up, but we can't get them. We can't get them in there so far. And I need some bolts that connect my white pipe to the rest of my exhaust in the back. Oh, I need the block plate for the EGR system delete. So everything's pretty good so far. We'll finish it next time for sure. So that EGR block off plate should be here about in 2 days, because I ordered it today off Amazon. It's like 13 bucks. And my cousin, he's gonna try to get some bolts from his work. Shout out to him. If without him, I swear, I wouldn't even have gotten half done of what we did today. Probably less. So shout out to him. He installed his own headers on his Camaro too, so you guys gotta wait another week to hear the beast. And well, I guess I gotta wait too, even though I really don't want to. I really wanted to finish today, but hey, you know, stuff happens and just gotta make it. We'll get it done. I'm gonna end the video here. Probably during the week I'll do the 2-inch front drop. Nah, I'll just wait to do the headers. I'll do it after I do the headers.